Hey guys, it's Arissa Nicole here. I know I'm looking a little ratchet right now, but I'm about to go get ready to go on a date with me and my boyfriend for a 3-year anniversary. So stay tuned. I'm gonna hop in the shower and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm sorry if the lighting is kind of weird still, but this is what I have. So right now I'm just gonna go brush my hair and kind of get through the knots and fresh out of the shower. So I'm gonna do my hair first and then do my makeup. Okay guys, so now that my hair is all brushed out, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with the Blueberry Bliss Control Jelly. I don't really like this that much, but I don't have anything else. I haven't really found something I really liked. I want to try to use those curls, so hopefully I can try that soon. But for right now, I have this Blueberry Bliss Control Jelly, like I said, but the only thing I don't like about it is like super thick, but like I said, it's fine for now. So since it's thick, it kind of gets greasy on my hair. So I'm just gonna kind of put like literally like this much and like work it through, and then I go back in just because it's super thick. So I just kind of like coat it through first. My whole hair, like I just run it through. And then more for the other side. Just like the same amount. And then I just run it through. Like that. I just don't want it to be like crunchy, you know. I want it to be like soft curls. So sometimes I add a little bit more just depending on how it feels. Like sometimes it starts to feel crunchy already. So I'm just gonna add literally like that's it for the rest, and just go back over it and just scrunch it like that. I'm just doing my hair first because it's easier if it's wet. When it's like, obviously when it's wet you have to do it, so I'm not gonna have to like re-wet my whole head. It's annoying. So, and my hair normally is more wet than this when I do it, but it's fine. Usually it's better if it's like dripping wet, but it's not, so we're just gonna go with it. So, I'm gonna just add a drop more. This much more again. Just don't like the way they're coming out today, my hair. It's still dry. So I guess this is gonna be kind of it. I'm gonna add a little bit more, just a little. Just another like tad more. Alright, well for right now, this is how it's just gonna be because my hair is not cooperating with me. It'll normally shrink up and be more curly obviously as it dries. Okay guys, so now that I got my makeup ready, I'm just gonna go in with a moisturizer that I'm using and just kind of put it over my face so my face isn't so dry. Okay, and the moisturizer I use is the Daily Moisturizing Lotion, normal to dry skin. I was recommended this by Skincare by Hiram. I'll link his description down below. I love this face moisturizer. It's kind of for your body too, but I just love it. So I'm just gonna let this like dry for a minute, and then I'm gonna go start my makeup. Okay guys, so I had to like clip my hair back just because I'm gonna be doing my makeup. I don't really do my makeup often, so I hope my hair dries good. I just wet my beauty blender, can't even talk. And I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow foundation. I'm gonna go in with the 205. It's definitely too dark for me right now, but I don't have anything else, so I'm gonna go in with this one. I'm kind of running low, and the only one other one I have is actually darker. So I'm just gonna try to get every last drop out of this. So just gonna, I like to apply it to my face first and then I work it with my face before because I've had this foundation dry and like spots before because it's not, I don't know, if you don't work it in right away, it just does not look as good. So I'm just gonna pound this, and I don't really like thick foundation, like I just like a light coverage. So this can be like a medium to light coverage foundation, just like enough so that where my redness is kind of away. But let's see. Okay, and no way am I a beauty guru and know what I'm doing. I'm not like that good at makeup, but I try, okay? Alrighty, so I just beat that bitch in, you know, beat your face. And I always go in lighter than what I need because I always add on if needed. And actually, this color isn't off. I thought it was going to be more off from my skin. So that is Liddy. But let's just go over the lids. I think that's good. This is not like a tutorial. Like, I'm just getting ready, you know. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer. Go in with my... This is a Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade 10. So now I'm going to just go in and beat this with the Beauty Blender. Y'all, someone come get me for real. Anyway, so now that I'm all beat the fuck up, Maybelline Fit Me powder, you know it. Girl, I don't even have no name brand brushes, so I'm gonna just go in whatever this is, brushes, pop this here, do my eyes, because you know I be living in Florida, so that heat can get a bitch. Okay, I know I'm not Cardi B, relax. But there we go. I just literally only go over my eyes just because I'm a little drier right now here, so my eyes are good. And the shade of this was 220. So basically what I'm going to go into now is a bronzer. If you guys can recommend a bronzer to your girl, let me know, because I really have not found the bronzer that I like. I do like the warmer bronzers, but like I said, if you guys recommend one specifically, let me know. Right now I have this Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer. It's the shade Cappuccino. It's really dark, but I actually kind of like it. I just am not in love with it yet. I'm gonna go in with this brush, with this, an angled one. And I don't have a specific way of doing this. I just kind of go in. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go into this side. Right now it's like looking really muddy on camera, but it does not look like that in person. So hold up, let me go to this side now. The faces that I make while I do makeup is repulsive, so I apologize. Right, so it's a sad day for all of us. No highlighter. Let's just take a moment of silence, okay? Nah, I'm just being dramatic. It's fine. So now what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna do my mascara. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to do that on camera. I can try, but warning, the faces are gonna be a little wild, okay? Okay. Clean up my brows. Okay guys, so I just have to crimp my eyelashes, and I definitely cannot do that on camera. Okay, so now that my eyelashes are crimped, I'm gonna go in with my favorite mascara ever. If you are in the market for mascara, I can tell you this is fire. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I have nubby eyelashes, and this is the only thing that makes them look kind of long. The only thing is some people don't like this type of brush, but it's like a thin one, but it is my fave. So I'm just gonna go in and do my mascara. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do this on camera, so I'll be right back. Guys, so while my mascara dries off of my eyelids, because I am such a messy mascara person, I'm just gonna go in with a lip gloss here. This is from Walmart. I actually love this lip gloss. And I'm a lip gloss bitch, like no lie. I love lip gloss, or I need to have a chapstick that looks glossy like at all times. I don't know, are you guys more like a lipstick person or a lip gloss? Because I am lipstick faux show. You cannot really tell the prettiness of this, so when I'm done, I'm gonna pop outside so you guys can see my finished look. Okay guys, as you can see, my makeup is all done and ready to go. My lip gloss is obviously popping. But otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick get ready with me. You know, I'm all ready for my date with my man. Once my hair dries, the look will be complete because it's kind of flat to my big fat head. So once it dries, it'll look way better. Sorry, my eyes are like bugging out right now. I don't know what is going on. But this is the finished product. Okay guys, I also want to show you my outfit really quickly. This is just my outfit. I can't really wear like sandals or anything because we're going go-karting. So I obviously can't wear sandals with that. So I'm just wearing a plain black tee from Walmart, my fave. Just some comfy gray shorts and then my J's. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.